Iasson. I come from Switzerland and Greece. I live in Greece. I'm here to study Interpol. Right now I'm in a foundation year, so I'm actually enhancing my English skills in order to be more fluent in international politics terminologies, and so it can be smoother when I start normally my international politics degree. This university is really prestigious for the specific department of international politics, since it was the first one to be ever created in the world. Difficult, well, I guess that shouldn't be the way we should think about it. Challenging, but in a really positive and investing way, of course. First of all, the foundation year is really good to form your English base, your English language, in order to be more fluent in it after that. And it's a really good way to get in the university without struggling. So it's a smoother and really fun way to get in the university, to get accepted. I definitely use the cafes because I need coffee in the morning. Otherwise, I really use the library and the lounge where I can concentrate myself and study harder with my classmates. And the art center sometimes has really interesting attractions, movies. Students' union too, we play the pool, drink beer of course. So yeah, there are many places you can go. Mostly with my classmates, with whom, yeah, I'm learning Korean now, which is really intriguing and challenging. We form a really great group. So yeah, it's I think it's essential. Otherwise, I don't think I would be able to get by with all the information in Interpol if I started immediately, directly. Every morning is challenging to walk 20 minutes up to the university, but no, it's really fun, and I enjoy working, studying, because it's something that I really like. There's also motivation between our classmates, so yeah, I'm really having fun.